Just got home from work and just a little bit all the muddy up. The weather is very beautiful and it's sunny, about 74 finally. Weather forecast is perfect and you know what we're doing. But I need one thing to do. I need to change a little bit. Let's do that right now. There we go. That's much better. Let's get out of here because there's so much echoing. I don't know if you guys can hear echo, but there's a lot of echo going on in this rush. Before we head in, it's about time that we finally can put the wave runner in. It's so much warmer. The weather had been finally acting like it's supposed to be summer. You know, it's been acting like spring or winter. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, but you know, it's been keeping a constant 60s and below that, and it's June 5th, 4th. I don't know, June 4th, 5th, but I can't remember the date. I'm not very good at remembering the date, but let's get rolling right now. It finally just came, and I just been waiting for that for about the past week. And you know, I noticed there was a sale going on with it at $4.99, so I had to get it rather than waiting at $5.59. Finally got myself a stabilizer. The first thing I usually look at when I take out anything out of the box, mostly electronic, I look for some bubbles. These things, these things are my favorite, and I just love popping them. It's really loud, but I just love it. Nothing up. I'm trying to figure out how to get across all that grassy area to get to the railroad. I don't know how to get across this. I don't want to get my knee or my leg all ishy. Because once I lay, like every time I lay in the grass, and when any of my skin touches it, and it gets itchy, I hated it. But let's try to get through this thing. I suppose it's worth it though. All little bugs, gnats got flying around. Well, at least I made it, but I'm glad I didn't wear my nice shoes. Oh. Made it. Well, it's a cloudy day. It's a nice day. I didn't have time to record after my wave runner yesterday because there was so much stuff. I don't know if I should be walking on the train railroad in our hometown. So after that, in our hometown, every once a year, it's like around this time in June 3rd to 5th, around that time, we have a walleye weekend, which is a little festival or something like that, where bands are playing, and there'll be a fishing tournament, and so on. A lot of food, and especially they make the best cheese curd, and that's why I had to go there. We took our boat out there and just, you know, go on a walleye weekend, park right next to it. It was a great time. I'm trying to figure out where the best location to get a picture that I'm trying to have in my back in my mind that I'm trying to get. It's under the bridge right here. And there's one little black bird up there that's looking out there, but I don't know what that is, but I'm deciding if I should go under the bridge or beyond the bridge. Sometimes when you have a picture in your mind that you want to take and then you go out there and try to do it and it doesn't come out to be as what you imagined it to be, like what you think and versus reality, it comes out better than what you think. I hope I get that on that side for today. Finally got the picture I wanted. It turned out a little bit better than I thought it would be, but I haven't edited it yet, so I don't know what the post-production gonna look like. You know, I love doing post selfie. It's not like a selfie, but it's technically the post selfie with the camera I have, and I love doing that because it builds my creativity. Like, you have to figure out where you want to set the camera because you have nobody else to use. You have to do it on your own, and you have to find the perfect spot for it and perfect angle. It's just throw out so much more creative process you can do to do a post selfie, or not post selfie, just doing technically your own photo shoot, whatever you call it. I don't know what you guys call it, but I call it my own photo shoot, self photo shoot. It helps improve your photography skill as well, but at the same time you have to get set up manual focus, perfect angle, perfect distance, perfect spot, and so on, and it helps you build your own creativity. I'm gonna start getting out of here because the mosquitoes are really soaring over my head and biting my leg. I don't like this. I don't like mosquitoes. I'm gonna head back. Another thing, I'll make another video about how do I do my own selfie. Why do I say selfie? I don't know if it's called selfie or... Okay, I'm gonna say it. I'll make another video how to do a self photo shoot. If you have a camera that's built in, like time-lapse interval, stuff like that, that is good. Roll with that, and there's a special tool. I'll show you right now. Let me take this out. This is my special tool. Very useful, my favorite, and it provides all the settings that I needed. I'm very satisfied with it. It's perfect for time-lapse, sunset, or, self photo shoot, anything. And it's not very expensive. I'll tell you guys, quite a bit busy. Summer course coming up soon. Even more busier. Whew. Let's head back before it starts raining again. Today was a very, very lazy Sunday for me. Of course, just like typical every other Sunday. And I wish I would have done a little bit more, but, I'm being very lazy. I did a lot more editing, focus on videos, trying to catch up a lot with all my videos I have. Otherwise, it would be like deleted scene or deleted vlog. So I want to end up doing that, and I have 3 videos or 3 vlogs that are deleted scene. So I don't want to do that because I've been waiting too long. Just enjoying the view, the sunset behind the cloud. I would love to do a time lapse for it, but looking for clouds in the front of a way, of course. It's a little bit chillier. It's at 58 right now, I think. I'll have to shut the temperature just to make sure. So I can get up. I'm right. It's a 58 degree. When is ever be a worm?